I've looked like an idiot 7 times at the boat ramp when my outboard wouldn't start. Just sit there pulling, everybody's staring at me. Here are the 7 reasons why I looked like an idiot. Number 1, my gas valve wasn't open. Number 2, my gas cap wasn't vented. Number 3, my kill switch wasn't engaged. I had accidentally pulled out the lanyard and didn't notice it. Number 4, I actually had it in gear and the pull start wouldn't pull. That one was funny because I went to yank it and it locks up, obviously, because of safety. It won't let you start in forward, and I just fell over almost out of the boat. Number 5, forgot to put the choke on. Number 6, I had the throttle on the tiller in the wrong position. Sometimes I left it wide open, then it would flood it. Other times I forgot to put it in starting position. And the best one ever, number 7, I was out of gas. A couple of X ones that's a little bit more advanced than the dummy reasons. Dirty carb, you gotta clean it so fuel can get to your motor through the carb. That's the whole point of the carb, is to get gas, the right ratio with air, into your motor. If it's gunked up or dirty, it's gonna mess that up. Wait, if you pull, it doesn't start and you start to smell gas, then you flooded it. You got too much gas going into your cylinder, fouled your spark plug. It's not gonna start. But the best thing to do in that situation is make sure your choke is off, open your throttle all the way up, give it a few pulls, bring a lot of air in and push a lot of that gas and help dry out your cylinder a bit. If that doesn't work, turn your choke off, throttle all the way open, and you just gotta let it sit for about 10 minutes. A lot of that gas will evaporate and you can start over again. But hope you got a little bit of benefit out of this. I've looked like an idiot, don't look like an idiot. Thanks for the view. Thanks, bye.